This is the side of the garage where the hose can be found that you will use to water all of the plants. The little yellow button that needs to be turned is the second one to the left, and it goes from off to on. The green hose on the left is the one that we're going to be manipulating. The yellow button, second to the left, is the one that we're going to turn. The first thing I do is water everything up and down this side of the sidewalk. Then I keep stretching the hose to get to what I call Christmas Tree Island here. Water everything here. Then take the hose all the way out to Rose Island, which is the farthest point. Then you've got your hose nice and stretched out so that you can come back, do across the front of the house. And this is just a refresher for the front of the house because it's on the automatic watering system, so you don't have to do it as heavily as you do the back of the house. I stretch the hose out all the way here so that I'm sure not to catch any of Sherry's plants. Christmas tree corner there does not have the soaker hose attached to it, so I put about 1 gallon of water per flower, about 5 gallons of water per shrub. Same way out here, those smaller shrubs, maybe 2.5 to 3 gallons of water each. But this way the hose is nice and stretched out, and it'll stretch over to here. This island out here that you're looking at now, Rose Island, also does not have the soaker hose attached, so it needs a little bit more. Sherry, just to give you an idea, this is what the corner of the house looks like, and I can tell that your plants have rooted nicely and they're nice and firm. The soaker hose is doing a great job. Those petunias would be looking really bad right now if they had not rooted, so that's a really good sign. Here's an example of what looks like a fully established shrub, but the truth is this is a recently moved shrub. Almost all of them are moved within the last week or so, so they need massive amounts of water to try to establish what's already an older root system. Don't forget the petunias on the porch. I'm going to rotate the container if I can so that we've got a different side toward the sun because they are drying out a little bit.